Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you step by step on how to check your Nordstrom gift card balance. Whether you're planning to use it for your next shopping spree or just want to make sure you have enough funds left, this process is quick and easy. Follow these steps to stay updated on your card balance. Visit the Nordstrom website. Start by going to the official Nordstrom website, www.nordstrom.com, using your browser. You can do this from your phone or computer. Navigate to the gift card section on the homepage, scroll down to the bottom, and under the customer service section, you'll find the gift cards link. Click on it. Select Check Balance. Once you're on the gift cards page, look for the option that says Check Your Balance and click on it. Enter your gift card information. You'll be prompted to enter the gift card number and the PIN found on the back of the card. Make sure to enter the numbers carefully, ensuring there are no typos. View your balance. After entering the required information, click the Check Balance button. Your current gift card balance will appear on the screen. Now you can see how much you have left to spend. Additional option: check via Nordstrom mobile app. If you prefer using a mobile app, you can also check your balance by opening the Nordstrom app. Go to the gift card section, then input your card number and PIN to view your balance. That's all there is to it. It's a simple process that only takes a few minutes. Remember, checking your balance frequently will help you plan your shopping more efficiently. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.